respect your name?
How was Kuya Wilfred po as a child?
As a child? Makulit. Makulit, very affectionate. What are we talking about? Yung before diagnosis?
Yung as a child lang po talaga, yung mga from 1 to 10, ganun po.
From 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Okay. Siguro leading to the diagnosis kasi before he was 2, we noticed na there were mga delays. Psychomotor, ganyan. Yung talking, yung walking, they're delayed. And then, of course, sa behavior, you wouldn't notice much because most babies are like that naman, di ba? It's more of the motor and the speech delay that we noticed. When he was supposed to be talking and walking by around 1, he walked pa. So yun. At first, we were in denial. But when he was about 1 and a half, when I thought na of having him checked by a developmental pediatrician. And the diagnosis, of course, you wouldn't say it's autism because at that time you wouldn't diagnose autism before 5. So it's PDD, NOS, that's pervasive developmental delay, not otherwise specified. That's PDD-NOS.
Wow.
Before you diagnose kasi autism or whatever, that's the parang general diagnosis.
Bago po yung screenings
And all that. Before you can definitely say na it's autism or not. Kasi at 2 years old, hindi pa masyado eh. It's very hard to diagnose.
Okay. So, ngayon po, kamusta naman po siya as an adult naman po?
Oh my God. Actually, behavior-wise kasi, when he was not yet a teenager, it's more of the kulit lang and the kulit and likot, which is usually normal for other kids, diba? But of course, we see na he's not at par with his age group.
Okay.
And then when he turned 13 exactly, that's when the aggression came in, which is not typical, but you'd expect that from people with autism. When he became a teenager, just like any other neurotypical teenager now, when you turn 13, you become rebellious, and you think you know everything na, and you don't want your parents to be telling you what to do. Because their emotional type is almost the same as neurotypical. It's just the mental, the intellectual. Emotions are exactly the
Same lang po.
That's why they also have crushes and, well, I'm not saying fall in love, ayoko yun. Crushes and sexuality. Okay na. It's just that they cannot control like we do, diba? Na parang even if you like somebody na talaga, you have to make pakipot, sila no.
Go talaga.
Go lang.
Ano naman po yung mga hobbies and interests naman?
Like no hobby. Interest. That's why he easily gets bored. We tried introducing so many things to him. Sports, gadgets. Wala talaga. Except for music. He always has to have a radio with him or MP3 player. Music. Wherever he is, he will turn on the radio.
Ano pala? Yun nga po, yung mga ano po yung mga na-encounter yung misbehavior by him in school naman po and dito rin yung sa atin.
The work is hitting. So, All the others, yung mga topping down, whatever. Very good. Healthy. Yeah. Yeah, I think he's listening in. He knows what talking about. Say hi to Kuya.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh.
Both of you.
Kuya?
Both of you.
Kuya? What are you doing? Yes. Why are you just standing there? You don't want to sit? You don't want to sit?
No.
Did you drink his milk, huh?
Did you drink your milk already?
Yes, yes.
You drink milk.
And one thing about him, he's very sensitive to feelings. Not only to family, with everyone. He's very sensitive to the feelings. Like, he knows when someone is upset, when someone is happy. Even when our backs are turned to him, he knows.
Yung empathy.
Empathy. Always. No, I don't think. It's not empathy because empathy is when someone is sad, you feel with him, di ba? Or you feel namin. He knows. He knows lang. Oo. Although with this one, ayan ang may empathy talaga. With this lucky somebody here.
Are there any special treatment done to him here?
Treatment.
Like, kapag sa magkakapatid ko, if yun lang po yung treatment or
Well, I'd like to believe that I raised them almost the same way. Kasi why are you smiling?
This is the part I've been waiting for.
I want to believe that, because my idea before was, I will treat him as a neurotypical child, so he will behave as a neurotypical child. So that he'll know the limitations, what is allowed and not allowed, what's acceptable and not acceptable. But of course, diba, he has his limitations talaga. And that's where the inequality comes in. Like, there's leeway for him. There's always leeway for him. Although, I don't know, you felt that you were not equally treated?
There are sometimes.
Sometimes.
That's normal for me now. But before, when I still am a spoiled brat, but I understand. I always understood. I don't know.
Because
I've matured.
Ever since you were small, I brainwashed you na. Giving more to you, especially
my grandma.
When the aggression came in kasi for world peace. Sige na, give in na.
How does he act towards bothersome matters?
Bothersome matters?
Yung mga things that annoying.
The worst talaga is aggression.
Aggression.
Although, there are times naman na you'd be surprised, he can be very, he can control. There were times when he can control it, and if he's upset, he'll try to, it's okay, ganyan. If you want something and you cannot give it to him, you say, okay, next time. Extreme. Sometimes he's so resilient. Like, before kasi it was reward system. If he does something na hindi good, say, reward. Kami yung disappoint. Because he'll just say, okay, the next time. Pero sometimes naman. Pero especially when it's cherished, when it's cherished, he can be very patient. Even if you really want something, and then let's say, can maybe to cherish, and okay. He'll always give in.
I sometimes take advantage of
Yeah,
that.
he will always give in. So that's why when I want something from him, or I want him to do something, I ask first.
Baga. Okay. How about po sa mga enjoyable matters naman po?
As a parent, I'll always have a baby. No matter what, di ba?
Opo.
He will never leave me to have a family, to, you know. I'll always have a baby.
Mm-hmm.
And even at his age, he's almost 22. In the innocence, the purity, diba? Childlike talaga. And you know, parents always enjoy the toddler stage, the childhood stage, diba?
Children.
Yeah, so when you have children, you pass them on to me.
Probably. Yeah.
Wow.
I'll bring them from
Better
the...
make sure cute ako, hindi ayos.
I'll make sure. Don't worry.
In terms of his relationship with you po, your mother, kamusta naman po?
When he was much younger, I was his all. When he was much younger. But then, ito, we're in a difficult stage. Still is. Ngayon. Like, I don't know, maybe, kasi ever since I was the one na talaga na implementing everything, I was the one who's super hands-on.
Mm-hmm.
So, if something is wrong, I'm the one to reprimand and all that. And talagang almost 24/7. So, I don't know, it's at a phase na parang he's so sawa with my face already. Yung ganun. When he'll come to me lang if he needs something that others can't do.
Ganon?
Ganon. Siguro kasi, he's better off with the dad. Siguro kasi he wants bonding time with, you know, guy things.
Ganon.
Which, of course, the dad cannot do because he's working. Diba? So, parang, siguro, ito na naman, ito na.
How about with his dad naman po?
Bonding ko. Although there was a phase also before mine, before the mommy phase, there was a daddy phase. Na whenever he show aggression, it's always told. And then it transferred to me. There are things like that talaga in this one. Na you can always try to explain it, pero the thing is, you cannot. Because you don't know how their mind works.
Hindi talaga, no?
Hindi pa.
How about naman with Cherish po?
Ay, super love talaga.
As in how a brother...
More, and I see brothers with my cousins and of course they love their sisters, pero this one talagang parang whatever she wants, he'll try to give in talaga, even if it's not what he wants. Yung tipong gano'n, yung parang simple as we want to eat out, he wants some other restaurant, he'll give in to her. Palagi.
Like the TV.
He wants to watch something else, but not. If it were some other people like me or the dad, ay wala na. Pero this one, at saka surprise kami sa pagka-possessive. Which he doesn't show naman talaga ever since kami ng daddy niya. Yung parang, diba, his issue with a guy. Why is she with him? Yung mga gano'n.
How about with strangers naman?
Super friendly.
As in friendly?
Talk to anybody.
Contrary po dun sa yung parang norm na...
Di ba norm na, di ba yung at least may sariling mundo? Di ba na parang I wouldn't mind anybody else, yung ganyan, I'm here lang and I don't care all.
Yeah, when he's at home, that's what he does.
At home, sometimes like that. Pero, he's a people person siguro. Sometimes he'd come up to somebody and talk to if he likes him or her. He's just like talking to whoever.
Ikaw, ayaw mo na
I
tumigil.
think she was the one who got that trait.
Balance.
Balance.
For relatives naman po.
Ganun yun.
Same din. He's classmate.
Yeah, he loves people to see. Kaya he always, whoever yung classmate, he enumerates. Friend ko siya. Puro friend. Even here sa neighborhood, pwede siyang, barangay captain. He knows everybody and he's just nice.
Pwede na mga kandidato.
Oo, pwede talaga. The problem lang is just sustaining the conversation. Yun lang.
More on, po siya yung
Initiating. Pero after, naiiba na yung topic.
Pag ipag-compare niyo po yung actions niya here and outside, ano po yung pinagkaiba?
Sometimes
Better outside.
right. Sometimes, diba? Like even in school, even when he was much younger, the teachers would always compliment him, well-behaved, ganyan. Ito, ha? Until now, actually, the anecdotes of the teachers, ako yung parang sometimes, are you sure we're talking about my child? Yung ganun. Better. And they say naman, even with neurotypical children, that's usually the case.
Oo nga.
Diba?
Opo. May mga places po ba siya na parang ayaw niyo po sa mga ganito?
Places.
Yung hindi po
Right
siya
now,
comfortable.
crowded and noisy.
Like malls po?
Movie. It's a crowd and noise.
We haven't watched a movie with him in a long time.
The last time we saw was the Vice Ganda.
Yeah, Private Benjamin.
Kasi he's very sensitive to noise and crowd. Although that emerged, siguro mga 3-4 years ago lang. Before, rewarding, mag-noise. Tapos yun, I hope, kasi with autism, it's like that. A trait would improve, and then something else will come in, this one will improve, it's
Parang cycle talaga.
it's a never-ending, what will come next,
Sa milestones po, ano po yung most pleasant experience na with yung people around him?
Yeah. It's easily happy. It's easily happy. Basta lang. At saka, generally naman, especially, kasi naman na, when I take him out, when we bring him out na, let's say, to parties, to occasions, usually naman talaga relatives and friends who are familiar with him. And they're very accepting of him. Sometimes, feeling ko you're spoiling him too much na, yung ganun super na he enjoys that. Kasi he feels love, diba? So, he loves, kaya he's very, with, I want to go to this relative's house, I want to, kasi he feels the, the being welcome, and, at saka yun, he gets away with anything.
May unpleasant naman po ba?
Madami. It came to a point na when going out, kakapala na lang ng mukha. Natuto na ako maging sick-face kasi like, siguro kanto. And he's so old, malaki na. So people will be looking at us and all that. Ito, sick-face na rin. Kasi parang namin, you do not have the right to tell us not to bring him out. So,
Do you see their children? Oh my gosh, they're noisier. And sometimes they're like other children. Excuse you.
I will not let your stares prevent me from giving my child what he enjoys.
Is your child as good looking as my brother? No.
Yung mga pangit ang hindi dapat lumabas ng bahay, di ba?
Oh my God.
Eyesore.
Talagang nakakasama naman. Even sometimes kasi I'm with a group of moms na younger pa yung anak nila, adults. Hindi pa nila na-experience yun. Talagang people will stare you down and
So all you have to do is talk in English and just go
and
away.
they'll stop.
Oh.
Number one thing.
I've been telling Cherish, if you are arguing with somebody, for whatever reason, speak in straight English. Titigil yan.
Effective yun.
Diba? O yan. She wants to be interviewed too.
Hello.
Yan, lagot. Siga.
Takot siya. Next po, sa medical history naman, how, in your opinion po, how did he acquire po yung autism?
So, you know, the cause of autism until now is not known for sure. There will always be mga hypotheses, mga maybe it's this, maybe it's that, pero nothing has been proven as in 100%. Although the most, maybe the most probable is genetic.
Genetic.
Kasi you see families, well, I don't know about ours, but you see families there are 2, 3 kids.
Amazing.
I could have,
I don't know about this one, baka hindi pa lang ito na-diagnose.
Yeah.
Kasi napaka-antisocial.
Yung when was the first time po na nalaman niyo po na meron, na confirm na po?
Confirm. Late na eh. Kasi nga, you know, it was my mom, the grandmother, who first saw na parang there's something off. And he was what? Months pa lang. Baka wala pang 1 year. And she was, kasi there was rocking na, yung mga gano'n.
How would she have known?
Kasi nakita niya sa TV, sa movie ni Vilma Santos. There's this movie of Vilma Santos na may anak siya ng yung mga rocking. Na parang, no, of course not, ganyan, he'll outgrow it. And then yun nga, when he turned more than 1, kasi diba there are always developmental milestones. When your child is this age, he should be able to do this, ganyan, ganyan. Siyempre, comparing him with those milestones, I could see na yung delay yung speech, and yung motor, fine motor, most especially, gross motor pa nga nun, yung walking. So yun, at the age of 2, I brought him to the development.
Yung, what were the assessment tools na ginamit po ng school para po malaman?
Assessment tool, ano yan eh, usually yan ang observation. Observation yan eh, lalo na at the age of 2, what will you get naman from them, di ba? What do you think of global warming? Yeah, full observation and then parang mga puzzle, but he's very good in puzzles.
At age of 2 po, sabi okay na po.
Yung mga puzzles for that age, kasi yung eye contact then was not good. That's one of the first things you see rin eh, di ba? Yung eye contact then it wasn't good.
Ano po ba yung mga nakita niyang parang symptoms?
Kanya.
Bago niyo po siya i-diagnose?
Yung delay, speech and motor delay. Yung he wasn't talking pa at the age when he was supposed to. He wasn't walking pa at the age when he was supposed to.
So, sabi po ng doctor, gano'n po kasi siguro
At the age of 2 kasi, until 5, yung developmental pedia niya talaga had her doubts because his case is not typical. It's very hard to diagnose him kasi not typical talaga yung parang you'll always have doubts.
Asperger's.
What?
Right, he was almost
He
diagnosed.
was almost diagnosed as Asperger's. Kasi nga, yung kanyang intellect is not quite low naman. Not average, pero not as low. Oo. So, talagang for the longest time na PDD-NOS. And then I brought him to a clinical psychologist when he was around 3 or 4 who diagnosed him as Asperger's. And then, syempre, I told the developmental pedia that this is the diagnosis because when you say Asperger's, that's diba, high functioning, super high functioning autism. The developmental pedia got upset pa nga. Kasi sabi, no, hindi siya, until he turned 5. Yun na, definitive na.
Yun na po talaga.
The developmental pedia pa nga apologize na sorry, I wasn't able to catch it early because he's very atypical.
Hindi naman, yung IQ po, hindi naman super low.
Hindi.
Super, malapit
Hindi.
na po sa moderate.
Almost average naman. Almost average naman. But there are, di ba, kaya nga Asperger's, mga Einstein, mga gano'n. Di ba? He is eh.
I
He's
could-
Asperger's,
I could
di ba? Very high IQ. Pero yung social ang
Yung
problema.
ano po. Ano po yung mga interventions na sinadjust po ng doktor niyo?
Ang dami.
Our medicines, yun po.
Intervention, there's speech therapy, there's occupational therapy, there's special education tutorial. Kasi I didn't want him to go to a special school. All throughout preschool to high school, he was in a regular school. Which affects lang they call it mga inclusion program. Regular school siya, but they accept mga may disabilities. Sama-sama sila.
Doon po yung sa school ni Charles po ba dati?
Nung grade school.
Medicine.
Medicines, the developmental pedia did not want to give medicine. She was always saying, no, behavioral, behavioral, what do you call that? Modification. Behavior modification lang. But then, when the time came, yung aggression, I went to some other doctor who would give meds, mga to calm him down, anti-anxiety,
So, sa educational background mo, what are the types of school po na English na po siya dati? Hanggang ngayon.
Basta, from preschool to high school, regular school siya. Inclusion program. We call that inclusion program. And then when he completed his high school, actually the teachers and the staff, the directors of the school where he went to in high school were saying to try out college. Because there are colleges naman who accept ako ayoko na kasi parang ayoko ng sobrang big school na I can't let him go there alone. Baka mabully. Yun yung fear ko. Baka mabully, baka such a big environment, baka hindi na niya kaya ito. Plus, the behavioral problems were emerging na, baka patulan. Di ba? Yung gano'n. So, that was when I brought him na to his present school. It's a special school which focuses on adolescents and adults. with special needs.
Hindi pa sila nagkikater ng mga bata pa.
Meron din.
Meron din.
Pero most of them are mga adolescents and adults na. Kaya, ang mga programs nila is mga job readiness, mga ganyan. Hindi rin towards independence. Although may academics pa rin. Mostly academics pa rin. Pero, they incorporate na yung mga job readiness.
Okay. Comparing ko yung dalawang schools na pinasukan, may improvement po ba naman na yun?
Yeah.
Wala.
It's sad nga eh, kasi nga dito he's used to having classmates who are neurotypical. Ito interpretation ko lang. I wouldn't say baka naman nagtataon lang. Ang interpretation ko kasi he was so used. Kasi nga ever since we brought him up as a regular kid. We treated him as a regular kid. So, pati sa school, most of his friends are neurotypical, ganyan. I guess, when he transferred to a school na, special school, I don't know kung na-culture shock siya, kasi he's used to neurotypical people around him, na, siguro syempre, in a special school, their rules are not very strict. So, siguro feeling niya, ay, okay pala dito. I can do this, I can do that. Baka ganyan.
Kaya po, nag-stop po yung parang improvement.
Wala lang. Actually, I'm looking for another. Or maybe ang plan ko is
Balik sa regular school?
hindi na siya. Kasi hindi na siya high school. Ayaw ko naman siya ng college. Well, medyo yung college, pero if ever meron siya dapat shadow teacher. Kasi ayaw kong alone siya. I'm thinking of maybe putting up a small business for him. For him to feel responsible, yung gano'n na lang. Kasi academics, he doesn't need that anymore. Hindi naman siya, he's not going to work in an office or anything, di ba? You see, most of them, yung mga nag-graduate dito sa school na ito, they work. Pero what kind of work naman? I'm not putting down, no? Pero they work as, some they work as waiters, some work as filing clerks, and these are filthy rich people. Para lang
May sense of...
Ako yata, I cannot, I don't know, I won't be able to stomach somebody telling you, oh, you do this, you do that. Away, di ba? Nautusan mo anak ko. Kaya, siguro ultimate goal ko for him is to put up a small business for him. Hindi ko palang alam ba.
Dun po sa present school po niya ngayon, how is he treated by his classmates and teachers?
Ayun naman, wala akong...
Okay
naman. Kasi spoiled siya eh. May spoiled na siya.
Even din po sa...
Dito?
Or mas lalo po.
Mas lalo dito eh. That's the tendency kasi ang difference ng teachers sa regular school and sa STEM, syempre they're malambing. Regular school, hindi pwede lambing-lambing, di ba? Here, they're so lambing. Kaya kung sa treatment, I have no problem. Imagine they call him every morning to tell him, oh, wake up na, you'll be late na. Kasi so late. Wake up na, take a bath na.
Sa school naman po, how is he doing po academically?
Academically, right now, lalo is okay. Kasi syempre, ang competition mo. So he's okay. He's very good in, ever since very good in math.
Wow. Wow. Kamusta naman tayo?
Ever since yan talaga, ano niya, math. Very good in math. It's just that he's so lazy. Siguro rin nag-burnout na. Feeling ko nag-burnout na siya. And he started going to school at 2. Kasi, ang ano ko nun better go to school than be with the yayas and watch telenovelas, di ba? So, at 2 he was going to school already.
Ako ba? 4 ako nag-school eh. Late na ako nag-school.
You were 3. And
Mhm.
then, every time classes start, you'd be crying for a week. Yeah.
No, it stopped when I went to AC.
To AC.
Yeah, for high school.
Grade 6, ano ba?
Kasi hindi na new school kasi, she's wherever he is, she'll be there. So every time he'd transfer, she'd transfer. So sa mga naka-free ka, before,
Or
AC.
yeah.
So every first week, she'd be crying and giving excuses to the teacher so she can go out to be with me. Kasi I'll be there outside the gate because of this one, not because of that one.
May mga extracurricular activities dito sa
Saan? Sa school?
extracurricular, like drawing, ganun po.
They provide naman.
Provide
May
din.
sports, may dancing, may dance, sabwa. May singing. They provide naman.
May mga gusto po ba siya dun sa mga mapping ng type?
He likes PE. He likes playing. He's good at basketball,
Wow.
Trained to time zone.
I still can't. I try. Never.
No, talaga.
No. I can only go to
Swimming,
small.
they have competition. They have this parang intrams. And you choose which one you want to join, yung ganyan. Siya palagi sa swimming.
Swimming. Basketball.
Basketball.
Okay. Intervention. Ngayon po, ano po yung mga interventions mo sa kanya at home po?
At home?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing.
I'm just there.
Kasi nga, he wouldn't, he'd get upset if I'm the one to do the intervention, to do whatever. So, since nasa special school na-minimize na yung kanyang intervention to occupational therapy. So, that special school, may occupational therapy siya. Pero when he gets home, so, I let him do what he wants na lang.
Yes, his aggression is scary.
Because there was a time before I gave him the meds, kasi nga, gusto ng developmental physio, walang meds. Nasa I hate mommy face na siya nun. There was a time in one afternoon, I got 2 black eyes, 1 big buko here, and 2 books.
Where was I?
Wow.
You went school ka?
Okay.
He was headbutting me na yung head ko, when he had headbutt, dito sa wall. That was the time na sabi ko, I need to give him medication. Diba? Kasi life and death na yan. So, after that, takot na ako. Diba? Kasi when he gets upset, actually, he lost a lot of weight ngayon because of the medication. Side effects, you lose appetite. So, talagang he lost siguro mga 25 pounds, baka more than pa.
In a week po or...
In a matter of a year, siguro.
year.
In a year, baka more than 25 pounds. At that time, before the medication, he was mga 175. And he's tall, diba? Kahit anong laban na gawin ko, hindi ko kaya. So yun, sabi ko, it's a life and death, and I'll take care of the liver later. Yun yung aggression na tone down. So now, ako na.
Dahil po dun sa... Ano po ba yung medicine mo yun?
He's on risperidone, Defacort, Akinetone. Mga ano siya, anti-anxiety, at saka to make, prepare na pala, to calm him down.
Mga sedatives po. Ganun po ba? Or-
Nepagsa.
Mm.
Where's the ano?
Ito me too. I'm not used to this.
Morning. So what's that, anak? Your sock?
Okay, to be in the interview.
If ever po may parang chance kayo na mag-iba yung intervention senior, ano po yung gusto niyo gawin? Or wala po?
Intervention here.
Apo, here po.
I want him to be more active. Siguro parang play therapy. Kasi someone just sitting there, walking around. I want him to play basketball. Meron nga siya dyan sa garage, yung, what do you call that? Goal?
Go.
Apo. There are two, magkaiba pa ng size, magkaiba ng whichever he wanted. Nilagay ko para, let him do something. Sandali lang, but I get it na. I used to bring him to mga sports clinics. And what happened? Nawala ang Adidas.
Today is 15, right?
Yeah, today is 15. Eh, tapos na, he's in a place na he doesn't wanna go out. Kaya ang hirap. Pero, whenever I can, kung hindi man I bring him to the mall, for him to get used to life outside. And hopefully, this space will, well, he's starting, like, sometimes he'd say, let's go eat out. Ay, ready na kami. Ready na kami. Kasi when he's the one who says, let's eat out, that means, kakayanin niya yung noise, kakayanin niya yung crowd.
Parang kapag dinidecide niyo yun, alam niyo na po talaga kung ano yung mangyayari. Like, ma-anticipate niyo yung noise, yung crowd.
Yeah, and he can control me. Drat lang yata talaga. Like time zone. Ang ingay ng time zone, right? So he'd tell me, Mommy, let's go to time zone. Sabi ko, anak, maingay. Kaya ko. Nag-iingat silang yata.
Yung at school naman po ngayon, may mga specific interventions po ba?
Yung OT niya, yung occupational therapy niya is in school.
Satisfied naman po kayo doon? Or may gusto pa kayong pagawa?
Satisfied ako si cute yung niya, OT niya. The problem with families, with yung may children na the parents here in the Philippines can never be satisfied kasi talagang kulang na kulang yung facilities, yung
It's in our favor.
yung knowledge, hindi pa ganun ka-develop kasi I think hindi masyadong binibigyan ng importance ng government, ng ano. So, the most basic thing na gusto ng parents for is awareness, understanding, yun lang. That's a big help na to the parents. Like, bringing out your child sa mall and nobody would stare you down. Yun lang mawala. Okay na eh. Pero still,
Wala pa.
napapaaway ka talaga.
May mga
Madami. Madami. Tumigil lang ako makipag-away sa strangers and kasi, nung malaki na siya, nung teenager na, whenever he sees me upset, mas upset siya. So, lalo siyang magtatansikan. So, I learned how to control myself. Pero when he was younger, wala yata akong labas na walang kaaway. Kasi, people looking at him and saying something. Hindi ka pwedeng, di ba? Yung mga tipong, one time, salong ko siya. So, he was mga 5, siguro. Salong pa eh. Walking, Glorieta. I was tired. Oo nga, where were you?
If you were carrying Kuya, who was carrying me?
Baka 11 suggest you somewhere. Oo. Pero,
Hindi.
baby ka, hindi, baka mga 4 lang siya nung baby ka pa nun. I wouldn't bring you out naman kasi when you were a baby, you were always left with your mommy love.
Was carrying me.
Baka naman nag-therapy kami, kaya, there was an old, siguro 50s, 60s man out sa likod. That was the time he would grab, glasses and throw them. Hindi naman niya tinrow. Ginrab lang niya. Itong 50, 60-year-old mama said, lokong bata ito. Siyempre, narinig ng nanay. Mas loko ka pala, matanda ka na pumapatol ka sa... Yung mga ganun ba? Pumapatol ka talaga. Kasi diba, hearing those. Kasi na, when he grew older, I had to, kasi magagalit talaga siya. Trouble talaga.
May mga incident po ba yung nabully po siya? As in, yun po. Tapos siya po yung nagalit.
Yes.
Hindi kasi overprotective naman kami when we were outside. Nabully, hindi, do you call that bullying? Mga, pa lang siya noon, mga 5.
Anything that's called bullying.
5-year-old. I'm not even sure. Although I saw it, he was, diyan pa yung school niya, Maria Montessori. Sa playground. The kids were running with him, or after him, na holding on to his shirt. Yung feeling ko, ano ba yung naaway niya? Kasi siyempre, bata, we don't know if they're just playing or ano. Yun lang naman. Wala na, kasi I was very particular na with the school, na actually, siya nang bubuli. Seriously ba?
Yeah.
Siya nang bubuli.
Ano po ba yung parang criteria niyo sa mga interventions na nare-receive po niya?
Criteria? Siyempre, yung credibility nung therapist. And then you observe how is he or she with him. Yung patience, diba? Yung how strict he is with him, yung kaya ba siya, yung mga Tapos, syempre, engage it sa results din. There was a time he was with this speech therapist for the longest time, siguro 5-7 years. And then, inayawan ko na with the approval naman of the developmental pediatrician. Kasi siya na yung umaayaw.
Ano po bang ginagawa?
Siguro kasi naging masyado ng napapataas na yung boses. Inaaway, pinapagalit na ako, ganyan. And nakita ko na it wouldn't be effective anymore. Kasi scared na siya eh. What's this? Tito Julie. Kasi he was big na. Tapos, titis ulo na siya, yung gano'n na. Tapos, I told the developmental pedia, and yun, we discontinued. Kasi you have to, ang palagi kong gauge is how is he reacting. I think that's the most important. How is he reacting to the therapy?
Kasi if hindi naman siya nag-react ng well.
Baka natatrauma na. Diba?
Opo. Okay na po.
Okay na.
Yes po. Pero if gusto niyo pa magkwento, go na.
Ito ang kwento ko. Yung talagang every parent naman kasi yun talaga yung acceptance. Like, there was a time, kamontik na akong makipag-away sa simbahan. Kasi there's this, yung mga, what they call this, lay ministers, yung the one who give communion.
Nasa ordinary day minister.
Basta those people, the ones na nasa altar. We went to mass, and nasa front row kami, so kitang-kita kami. I think he's very sensitive not to noise. Kahit nasa mass, nakaano yan. There's this, or yun nga, yung whatever you call that guy. Ang sama ng tingin sa kanya. Siguro nga na, teenager na noon eh, mga 18 na siguro siya noon eh. So, siguro sa, bakit ito in church? Oo. Ang sama ng tingin ito. Syempre, nasa mass, alangan mo pumunta ako sa altar. Diba? At makipag-away doon. So, sige, tiis lang. And I was thinking, pagkatapos ng mass, I'll go up to him. Eh, kasi pagkatapos ng mass, nagmayayaya na kasi may party after. So, hindi na ako nakaano. Pero that was the time na sabi ko, ibang klase.
Baka hindi niya po alam.
Hindi niya alam.
Hindi ko
Siguro
blame
naman.
him, Mr. Excuse him.
Pero
He's
you know what
in church.
happened? The next time you saw him, siguro may sabi. Obviously, very ano naman siya, sobra naman. Yung kasi napataon na doon kami nag-communion. Ginanon pa niya. Eh, di ba you do that to kids?
Apo.
Yung mga small kids. Ginanon pa niya. Sabi ko, alam.
18 na po rin.
Oo.
So he talked to someone.
Maybe he told some, alam mo, meron doon bata. Baka ganon, di ba? Na ganyan. Eh kasi, church naman na we usually go to. Baka familiar. Or siguro, kahit na, siguro happen na yung napagkwentuhan niya is someone na may alam. Di ba? Kamunti na mapag-away si Simba. And then there was a time na upset yan eh. Sa cash and carry. Di ba? Kasi ang pinaka nakaka-upset for him until now is seeing people fighting. At saka yung parent, basta an adult na pinapagalitan yung child, lalo na pag umiiyak yung child. Super upset siya doon. One time, nasa Mercury kami sa cash and carry. May nag-away. There's this old lady na pinapagalitan yung staff. Ay, nagalit. Ginamit mga, di ba yung outside Mercury, yung mga shampoo, yung mga hulugan. So, buti mo lang nabasa. Hindi bayad, di ba? So, we brought him out na. Ganun, go na to the car. Siyempre, from Mercury, before you reach the parking, you're inside the mall pa rin sa cash and carry. So, we were walking. Akala ko, okay na. So, I was here, he was here, walking na. Sige na, let's go to the car na. So, there was this mama. Nakatalikod. Looking at some, I don't know,
Expensive stuff, but you know he can't get.
Mukha nga snatcher yun.
Yeah.
Yung talagang gano'n na mama. Yung alam mo, kasi ang lakas, kasi yung mga people from around, tingin ng gano'n eh. Eh, syempre, ang first ko, pagharap ng mama, baka bigyan. Kasi kang snatcher. Nakasando pa yun. So what I did, I went in between them. Na parang feeling ko, para pag humarap siya at sumuntok, ako na lang. Huwag na ito, di ba? Ang prayer ko lang, not my face. Any part of my body na my face. Buti na lang, nakita naman niya na girl. So, syempre, saying sorry, pasensya lang, ganyan. Yung gano'n.
Okay, if he hits Kuya, he would be dead even if you looked at him. Because you know that you're
When yun nga, problem, pag pinaturan ako ng mama, lalo maakap, di ba? Ganun ka complicated. Talaga, every time we go out, you pray. Sana po wala namang untoward incidents, yung ganyan. Kasi ayoko naman din ikulong sa bahay. Di ba?
Parang, ang hirap kapag
Basta ang ano ko lang is, basta wag lang siyang makasakit ng other people. Kahit magsisigaw siya dyan, okay lang. Kapal na lang. Sa Greta 5, yung doon where national is.
before.
Greta 5 yun, di ba? Before. Eh, I hate education. Pero, ano na rin, yung 15, 16, mga ganyan na siya. We were going down. We were upstairs. Meron siyang nakita na pinapagalitan. Yes na. So, baba na tayo. Let's go. Escalate. He started hitting the dad and shouting. Eh, di ba ang Glorieta 5, it's like that na andyan yung mga stores, everybody went out. Kasi talagang narinig mo, tapos was hitting, tapos isa pa ako.
If this weren't a serious moment, I probably would have laughed.
Comedy. Pero pati ako. But he didn't hurt anybody. Daddy lang yun. I think the guards are aware. Kasi they were there, pero hindi sila lumalapit. So yun, parang sige. okay lang. Anak, di ba? Anak, kapal mukha na lang
Yeah.
tayo.
When we go out, sometimes I feel like people would recognize us for some reason. If
Ano ba? Who cares? Basta he's not hurting you, wala akong pakialam sa'yo. Ganyan na na.
yeah, sometimes just go.
Kasi sa parties ng relatives, kunyari, sa restaurant, occupied naman ng puro relatives. Ba't hindi ko, the baso, it's basag. Titingin lang, okay, continue eating.
Already.
Nobody got like, okay, continue eating.
Gosh, like there's this one time, the one about the Gina, I think, or someone. The who I did.
Ayun, oo.
Yeah.
Yun kasi, wife siya ng relative. I know it all. Sobrang daldal. Na-crush siya nito. She's so ugly. Oh my God. So, they went to my parents' house. They visited. Kuya was there. He started chasing her. Kasi crush niya. And he was much younger.
She's so feeling okay.
He was much younger. He was not 12, 13, 14. But much younger.
Even
Miss Gina started telling everybody, alam mo yan, si Wilfred, nahabol ako. Something. And then after that, pinefriend it to sa Facebook.
Yeah,
Kasi
yes.
after that, I didn't talk to her anymore. Whenever she's there, basta,
I will
hindi
not
kita
talk to
kilala,
you.
parang ganyan na. Siguro she noticed. Out of respect na nga lang dun sa husband niya kasi yung husband niya is very, very close to me. Actually, he was my yayo when I was younger. Kaya hindi ko siya inaway. Kung hindi niya asawa yun, kung hindi niya husband yung away na yun. Basta I made her feel na hindi ko gusto yung ginawa niya. By not talking to her, tapos after that, pinefriend ko sa Facebook.
and then I was like,
Don't,
I am not yet
okay,
done.
sorry. Sabi mo, I tell the story.
No, and then that's my favorite part. I like telling the story. So she was like, who's this person? I don't know you. And then I asked her because the last name sounded familiar. It's like, Mommy, who's this person? And then she said, oh, she's a relative. I was like, okay, so it's okay if I add her. It's like, no. And then she told me the story. It's like, oh my gosh, no, I'm not even gonna press ignore. I'm just gonna leave you there. And then she tried
And then
again.
she kept telling my mom, di ba,
Yeah.
whenever they see sorry, si Cherish, hindi na ina-accept yung ko. And my mom knew na kung bakit, di ba? And I told her, change topic. Until now, she cannot come to the house anymore. Nakuha na niya. So whenever the husband would visit, he was in the pasok space. Pot. Flower pot. Yung clay, di ba? Yung mga garden. Kota yan. Basta 5 per dish. Wherever he is. Eh sa parents ko, madaming pasok. Ngayon wala na. Kasi naubos na. We went to my relative's house. Reunion, New Year, family reunion, all the clan. Sabi ng the owner, ay, hindi hayaan mo. Lucky yan. Swerte yan. Yung mga sabi ko, tita, ubos na pasudo, swerte pa. Ayan. Yung ganun sila ka. Ako ngayon sabi, no, it's not okay. But sila, okay lang. Ganun sila ka. Kaya he loves going to their places. Kasi everything is okay lang.
Sure. Even in San Pedro, almost everything is okay.
Everything is okay lang. Kaya rin, he turned out that way. Kaya siya nag-behavior problem. He was too spoiled growing up. Until now, actually.
Dito po ba may yung mga hindi pwedeng gawin? Like,
Maraming hindi pwede. Kaya lang ginagawa pa niya. Ang pinaka-ano ko lang talaga sa kanya ngayon is hitting. Shouting ang
Normal here already.
yung coupling down things, braking. Siyempre, yun yung mga bawal. Pero pag ginawa niya, what can I do? Diba? Kita mo yung chandelier, kalahati na lang.
Oh, bakit po?
Mahaba yung dati.
Ah,
Naabot. Ano, half na lang. Shandy na lang. All those, mo, puro may mga crack. Electric fan, mo, puro di tali. There was a time every week, bumibili kami ng electric fan.
yung electric fan face na.
Yan yun. Hindi mo naman matiis na hindi bumili. Di ba? And then when you'd ask him, why did you do that? Try ko lang kung kaya ko. Why did you break that? Try ko lang.
Try ko lang.
Sometimes it's my fault he gets downstream.
Why?
Because not my when I start crying for
Ayan,
some
kasi he's really upset when
Mhm.
someone cries. Especially this one.
like one time I didn't get what I wanted.
Especially this one. Pag ito umiyak na kulagot na. Iiyakin pa naman. Even our neighbors, yung sa harap namin, yung paso nila rubber na ngayon.
Nahabot na yun.
Hindi ko nang bili ng paso for them kasi binabasag. Sumawa na ako kakabili. Tapos sila, bumili na sila ng yung rubber, yung made out of tire.
Apa.
Ganun eh. Kaya rin we cannot leave this place kasi everybody knows him.
Well, accepting naman for nila.
Kahit sigawan niya ng gago. Sometimes kasi he wants to go out. Hindi wala lang, tambay-tambay lang. And he's, may biglang magtanto. The neighbors would come.
Tapos ihatid lang po siya dito. Kapag po gusto niyo po lumabas, kahit siya lang po mag-isa ako kayo.
Ay, hindi. Hindi. Hindi pwede. Kaya man nakapadlock na. Iniis ako.
Ganun. So much
And then he'd go to the neighbors, may pichika. Eh, syempre, hanggang hindi mo nakahanap. Diba, he wouldn't go naman na, he'd go to the neighbors, inside their houses. So, chika-chika na sila. And these neighbors naman, in-entertain, hindi man lang tinawag sa akin na nandito yung anak mo. Pero pagkikahan na sila doon. Tapos ako, I'm just walking there shouting na his name. O, doon ko palang malalaman na nandun pala. Kasi nga, hindi ko alam, campaigning to become barangay. What's that ba?
For Excel stuff, yung...
You make an article, something like
Paper.
A paper.
Paper. Kasi,
Give me a copy ha. I want to see naman.
Okay po.
Gosh.
Pero focus po kami sa intervention. Talaga. Yun yung gusto nyo makita ninyo.
Di sige. Interventions. Dun tayo sa interventions. Upon diagnosis, speech and occupational therapy. That's twice a week each. Twice a week speech, twice a week of occupational. And then came, that's he was going to school na noon. Para, kasi they have to be kept busy. Hindi pwedeng, they're not doing anything. They have to be kept. So school, OT, speech therapy. And then, since he was going to a regular school, came the special education tutorial. 3 times a week, no? NWS siya, no?
Probably.
Yeah, that's NWS. Sabit si Cherish. She comes for the free Jollibee and
Oh my God. Yeah. And toys.
and toys. Kasi the SPED, the special education teacher, is my best friend. So,
I'm sending that to Tita Connie.
was my best friend.
No.
Is my best unfriend.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm just sending that.
Is my best unfriend in unfriend ko sa Facebook.
I'm telling her through Viber.
Friends pa rin ba kami ngayon?
Yeah, she's
Oh,
so
friends.
close to her best friend.
Dati. So, syempre, from school, they're together naman in school, so straight to the STEM. Pati siya tuloy. Ano na rin.
Wala po ba yun? Hindi ko kasama sa school yung
Iba yun.
program na yun.
Iba yun. From school, he'd go to the STEM 3 times a week for the intervention. Aside from that, meron pang play therapy to be with a group para they can all play together. Ganyan. And then there's from time to time merong assessment, psychological, neuropsych assessment from time to time.
Mga per year po, gano'n.
2 years na.
2 years.
Every 2 years. Yung visit with the developmental pedia is every 6 months. Busy tayo no?
Oh, yeah.
Development. And then meron pang psychologist. There's clinical psychologist every year also.
Ito na.
Hindi na, ayoko na, tamad na ako.
Until kailan po?
Well, actually, dapat hanggang ngayon. Pero since I'm a doctor naman and I get in touch with them, na ano, so, ano-ano na lang, when I feel like. Ngayon may psychiatrist pa.
Really?
May psychiatrist yun. The one in, St. Luke.
When's the last time we went there?
Oo nga eh. Eh, ako na nagbibigay ng meds, kaya ang perks of being a doctor. And then, yun. So, until now, yun. Kasi ang advantage lang of being in a special school is minsan nawawala na yung ibang interventions. Kasi andun na eh, special school na eh. So, for now, ano na lang, occupational therapy na lang. That's more for behavior. It's more of, behavior modification. Yung OT niya ngayon is more for behavior modification.
Not sure. He's scared.
Yeah, he's the only person who is scared
And
of.
it's not, if you see him, you I don't know how you'll be scared of him. It's like,
Yeah, he's the only person who is scared of.
Yung OT po niya.
Yung OT niya. Kasi I told him, you better scare him kasi he wouldn't listen. Kasi he knows na he can get away. Yun yung ano sa kanya, he knows that he can get away with anything. Kasi he's used to that eh. He's so manipulative. Kayang-kaya kanya pa ikutin.
turns out the OT is manipulative too. It's weird.
Pag tinatanong niyo po siya kung ano gusto niya in the future, like yung career, mayroon po ba yung sagot?
Waiter. Security guard.
Security guard.
Police.
Diba? Ngayon kanya ambisyon, maging waiter. Ever since, no? Waiter, security guard. Actually, those two talaga. Gusto niyo natin.
Who wants to drive?
Yeah, he wants to drive. You know, yung mga, when he starts asking things na I don't know how to answer, so painful. Like, he'll say, sa mall, siyempre, I'm always with him. He sees groups of mga people, guys his age, na sila. Bakit sila pwede mag-mall nang walang mommy? How do you answer that? Diba?
My reason is, it's okay for you. At least we don't have to use our own money.
That's why I tell him lang, kasi sila, nagmamall sila, hindi sila pwede kumain kasi wala silang pera. Wala yung mommy nila. Ako, I'm with you. We can eat wherever. Ganun na lang, di ba? You can eat wherever you want.
That's still true for me. If I don't have them, I can do.
You're, user-friendly.
Yeah, I admit, but
O kaya, Mommy, when will I drive?
Mm.
Yung talaga ultimate dream niya to be able to drive. Eh, road rage naman. Diba? Hindi naman talaga pwede.
Ano yun, si time zone ko, dun po siya.
Ayan,
Yan,
yan.
yan.
Time zone. Laking time zone yan, dalawang yan. After school, time zone. And then, yung last, yung lately meeting siya. Mommy, kailan ako mag-aasawa?
I don't play. That's nice.
He asked me that. Ang sabi ko, hindi ka makaisip, di ba? Anak, kapag ka nalang mag-asawa, problema lang yun. And then the follow-up question, paano na si Che pag nag-asawa ako?
Excuse me. I will not
Paano
allow.
na si Che ko? Anak, kahit makailang asawa pa kayong dalawa, hindi kayo maghihiwalay. Diba? So, you'll always be together. Kasi yun ang dream ko sa kanila. Parang isa in a compound, 2 houses. Si Che yung isa, Kuya isa, yung ganun.
Oh, really? I thought he was going to live with me. Oh my gosh, you didn't tell me that. Now I have to think of a new house.
No, it depends on how independent he can be.
Oh, okay.
Pero kung he cannot be that independent, he'll stay with you, syempre.
So I still have a
He'll
backup
his
house.
own room.
No, I don't want him to get married.
He's worried pa about
I
you
know,
when he gets
right?
married.
Like, excuse me, Kuya. First of all, the people you like are all ugly. Like, I can only count like 1 or 2 who you found pretty.
Diba si Sarah Geronimo?
Oh, she's pretty. Go ahead. Like,
He doesn't like Sarah anymore.
no?
Kasi kamukha mo daw.
Oh, okay. Okay. And the people in the streets, like ay maganda siya. It's like,
Ew, actually,
ew, no. You know. You did not grow up like this. Or sometimes they are pretty, but I say they're ugly just
Yeah, because, if he's possessive, you're more possessive.
Mm.
No one is good enough for Kuya.
no, of course not. That's why we will just own dogs. But he doesn't like dogs.
He doesn't like dogs.
Any pet?
So, like, ano lang siya, yung when he sees a dog outside, yung nasa park, ay, ang cute ng dog, ganun lang. Pero this one, because siguro sabi niya, asal naman. when we brought Kashi here, home, then, siguro, ano pangalan niya aso niyo? Parang ano pangalan niya aso niyo?
Disowned.
Oh.
I think you like small dogs, mga fluffy dogs.
Oh.
Kasi yun yung madalas niya sabihin, ay, ang cute ng dog. Then, yung mga shih tzu, ayaw niya ng aspal.
Oh no, you know, sometimes when I come home late on Thursday, when I'm with you, when I'm with Shet,
Yeah. Happy Thursday
Happy
with Shet.
Thursday. Happy Thursdays with Shet. You would always,
Yeah, he will always wake up for her.
Aww.
Especially that time na 10 o'clock na.
yeah.
Kasi usually naman 8 o'clock, di ba? For Thursday. Doon sa tayo, mga past 10 na siya nagpasundo.
I was with Shet then.
Yeah.
Super traffic ba
Was that
yun?
yung super traffic?
You'll never know. Both of them, I came home at like 10.
Yeah. We were so worried. Like, when we came home, usually, ang routine niya, upon coming home, he change into his pang bahay.
And you
He
would
wouldn't
sleep.
go up. He didn't even change his pang bahay kasi he wanted to stay here lang waiting for Che. And then, kept asking me, anong oras ba siya susunduin ni Daddy? Bakit wala pa? Ganyan. And then, whenever my phone would ring, or ano, baka si Che na yan. Ano sabi? Ganun siya.
Ang cute.
Love na siya.
Ba't ang minitext mo?
Hindi naman siya nagsiselfone. Ang cellphone niya yung music lang.
Pag-music ba?
But then when I come in, we're like,
Wala lang.
yeah, it's like a normal thing.
Wala lang.
Yeah. I say hi to them, but I don't say hi to you.
You know, when you have a special child, dapat mayaman ka.
Oh, that was in our paper too.
Kasi expensive talaga. Developmental fee, buti nga libre eh. Kasi doctor, 3,000 per
Per
visit.
session? Wow.
4 na yata ngayon eh. I'm not sure ha. Pero ang alam kong huli 3,000.
It's no wonder she's rich.
OT, yung yung intervention, yung mga OT, speech, ganyan-ganyan. Mga 7 to 1,000 na ngayon per hour.
Per hour? Ilang...
1 hour
1 hour
yung
per session?
usually per session. Tapos, depende lang kung twice a week, kung 3 times a week.
Wow.
Special education school, private, to spend around, including na yung mga, kasi may mga add-on. To spend around 120 to 150 per school year. Kaya nga nagpapa-medicine.
Paano po ba yung parang pag-assess sa kanya dun sa school nila? Like, may parang test mo na dyan. Ito yung subjects mo. Ganun po.
Kasi
Or may designated
their
na?
group, yung, kumbaga yung section, usually according to age naman.
according to
And, syempre,
Mental capacity.
yung
Mental
abilities, o yung pero most, they'd consider talaga yung, dapat naman at least magkakasing laki yung mga so they group yung kunyari yung mga adults na ganito yung mental ability in this section. Ito, adults na pero mababa yung mental ability in this section. Ganun sila. Tapos, yun, before they accept, of course, they'll accept, di ba? Pero they'll assess kung saan siya.
Belong doon.
Oo.
Belong.
Belong.
Remember one time I fell down the stairs.
Ito ang lampa lang. She fell, napaupo dyan. The first thing I said was
No, Kuya first. Kuya first,
Kuya
because
first.
yours is funny.
sige, Kuya Lo, are you okay? Sabi niya siya agad, are you okay? Yeah, Kuya, I'm okay. Tanga-tanga-tanga.
Kailan lang yun?
Kailan lang yun?
2 months
Months?
ago.
Oh!
You know, one time we should come to school, we will see them.
That's why they're my people.
Ano ba feeling? Nakakatuwa? Hindi nakakatuwa. Parang, we'll feel for them. Like, there are some na 40 plus, 50 plus.
Doon po?
Doon. Kasi, the parents, still they need something to do lang naman. Well, they can't be at home naman na nakatunganga lang. So, they just need to go somewhere to have something to do.
I'm gonna go check if he's doing. It's already 1 week.
1 o'clock na, anak.
Wala.
Imagine ang class niya, 12:30 to 3.
Wala, ay late na. Ilang hours kayo pupunta?
At least 30.
Tapos, everyday po yun.
Monday to Friday.
Wow.
Minsan nga we go there, 1 oras lang kami. Dahil lang kami nag-round trip. Ayaw naman umabsent.
Gusto lang magpalit.
What's he doing? Lying down? O, kuha niya na. Wala, hindi ko pa nag-prepare yung baon.